All right, let's look at the day 8, problem number 1. All right, it says that the scores for the 500 students who took Ms. Johnson's final exam have a normal distribution. There are 80 students who scored at least 92 points out of 100 total points, and 10 students who scored at or below 56 points. All right, so here is the useful information about normal distribution. All right, so normal distribution is basically a bell curve, and the mean is going to be right in the middle, right? Within the first standard deviation above the mean, there's going to be 34%. Oh, sorry. Let's see. All right, so 34% is going to be here. And in the second standard deviation above the mean, they're 14%. And above the two standard deviation above the mean, they're 2%. Right? And this is symmetric, so there's going to be 34% here, and 14% there, and 2% there. All right. Then let's see, we're looking at the 80 student out of 500. So let's see, what's the, so 80 student out of 500. Right. So this is going to be, let's see, I'm going to divide through by 5, so you get the 100. And divide the 80 by 5, so it's going to be 16. All right, so you can see that this is 16% is going to be 92 or above. So 60% we're talking about here. So there's a 2% and a 14%, so that's 16% there. So the score at this point is 92 points, right? And 10 students, so let's look at the percentage there. So 10 students out of 500. So this is going to be divide top and bottom by 5. So you have 100. So that's 2%. So 2% is here, is going to get 56 points or below. So you can see that this is a 56 points there, right? So they're actually 1, 2, 3 standard deviation away. So if you want to find a standard deviation from here, so you have 92 minus 56, then there should be a 3 standard deviations, so divide by 3, right? So this is going to be equal to, right, so 12 minus 6 is 6, and 8 minus 5 is 3, divide by 3 is equal to 12, right? So we know that this is going to be standard deviation here is 12, and these are all 12s, right? So if you want to find the mean is going to be equal to, right, 92, and it's going to be 12 points below 92. So 92 minus 12 is going to be equal to 80. All right, so according to this given information, the mean of this normal distribution is going to be at the 80. So quantity A is 80, quantity B is 87. Of course, B is going to be larger. All right, so let's check the answer. All right, I came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.